Hi guys, welcome to another video of Popper Academy, and in this video we'll see how you can integrate Popper with your favorite email marketing platform. Because we have almost completed all the things in our onboarding checklist, only the integrate with other platform step is now left. So let's just start this video and jump right in. So in our case, we'll be integrating Popper with Klavyio. As you guys already know that Klavyio is one of the market leader in email marketing. So we'll see how to connect Popper with Klavyio, and for most of the email marketing platforms, like 90% of the email marketing platforms, the procedure will be same. So let's see how to connect that. So for that, you have to go to Klavyio, and then you need to, kind of set up your account, or you can say sign up to Klavyio. I have already created brand new account for this demo. So let's jump there. So for that, I need to go to, the settings of Klavyio. And from there, I need to go to the API keys. Click on this API key. And then I have to create a new private key. So let's just click on this. And after that, I have to name my API key. Let's just name it Popper. And then I have to, please remember that you have to give the full access key, like read, write, every permission. So it's really important. So make sure you are giving the full access to the key. And after that, you have to click on create. Okay, so our API key is now created. Now what we have to do is, let's simply copy this and let's go back to Popper. And after that, let's create a new pop-up, and I will show you how you can integrate a pop-up or a campaign to Klavyio now. So let's simply write Klavyio demo, and I will show integration demo, right? And let's click on choose from template. Let's select one of the template where we have email address. So let's simply select this, and here is a simple email capturing pop-up. Okay, it's fine. Form success, we will get this. Form error, we will get this. Okay, so let's see the input setting for this email placeholder. For that, you have to simply click on this, and on the left hand side you will see all the settings available for this field. So for now, I have to simply click on this ID and type, and I have to make sure that this input ID is unique and it should be same on Popper and on the Klavyio. So it's email. So I'll simply copy this, and I think everything else is clear. And after that, I have to click on next. Now it's integration tutorial. So let's keep everything as same. Simply click on next. And now we are in integrations. So as we are doing integration for Klavyio, let's search for Klavyio. Here it is. Okay, and we have a new key. Let's name it Popper integration. Klavyio. And we have to enter the API key. Here it is. I will copy it. I'll paste it over here. Let's click on next. And I have to click on this email list as we are collecting email. And we can collect anything. Like you have to go to Klavyio, and there you can, click on this list in segments. And we have email list, SMS list, engaged in 90 days. And from here, you can create new lists as well. And you can create tags, list name, whatever you want. You can do it from here. And make sure when you are coming back to Popper, you are selecting the same list as you are in Klavyio. So you have to make sure that. And in our case, it's simple. It's email list. And after that, I have to click on next. And yeah, Popper email will be email that we have already copied, and it's also there. So, and after that, I have to click on connect. So our integration is successfully connected. And now Popper will start talking with Klavyio. So these two tools now are connected, and they can start talking with each other, and they can, transfer their words, or you can say other things like numbers, email IDs, and other things. And let's simply click on save and publish. Okay, so it's live, and we have successfully connected Popper to Klavyio. And as you can see, our onboarding checklist is complete. So we can now dismiss it. Yay, we are all set now. So to check whether Popper is actually connected with Klaviyo, what I'll do is I'll do a live test. So for that, I have to open my website. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll simply select this domain and I will click on go to popperdemo.electrical.com and I'll wait for the pop-up to appear. Here it is. And I think there is some design conflict and I think I'll kind of update it later. For now, let's simply check whether pop-up is connected with Klaviyo or not. So I'll simply write a domain name and I will click on this join the beta list. Okay, so I think it's done. Now what I have to do is I have to go back to Klaviyo and then I'll have to go to list and segments, and from here I have to click on this email list. And yeah, here it is. Here is the email address that we have entered right now in front of you. So yeah, everything is connected, and yeah, we have successfully integrated Klaviyo with Popper. And in 90% of the cases, integration will be same. You have to simply, copy the private API key, give all the permissions, and then you have to, connect the lists and segments according to the needs. And yeah, here it is. It's simple and easy. So thank you so much for watching. And in the next video, we'll see how you can integrate Popper with Google Sheet, as many of you are demanding us to create a video on that. So it will be next. So stay tuned and happy weekend. Bye.